Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you an amazing, healthy yet delicious treat for you and your entire family. You guys can come together and make this. It is so amazingly delicious. They can snack on all week, take to school. This is like a healthy grab and go breakfast muffin or just simply a dessert. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. If you have some overripe bananas, this would be a perfect time to use them. Alright, so here we are just going to mash the bananas up into little pieces. Then we are going to add some grapeseed oil, then some almond milk, mix that up, make sure it is really well incorporated together. We are not using any eggs, no butter, no flour. So there I'm adding some brown sugar. You can use agave, which I was out of. Then you add some good vanilla extract and set aside. To the oatmeal, you're going to add some baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. Whisk that in together. Make sure it is really well incorporated. Then you're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Alright, and make sure to mix that well. Then you're going to add some chocolate chip. Now this is optional. You can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, your choice, and some raisins, which I love. So this was actually perfect. You're gonna put the mixture in your muffin pan, or you can also use a cookie sheet and bake this as a cookie. Guys, this is so delicious. Please don't get hooked. This is so healthy for you. Bake in a 350 degrees oven for 30 minutes, and this is what it looks like, guys. Thank you guys for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Alright, see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.